In this tutorial, we'll be using the AI Pokemon Fusion Generator in MockoFun to create a brand new Pokemon, a fusion between Charizard and Blastoise. You can also experiment with other exciting Pokemon fusions. Let's start by introducing Charizard and Blastoise, and then reveal the result of their fusion, which we'll call Charitoise. To begin, we'll use ChatGPT to generate a description for our new Pokemon hybrid. You can prompt ChatGPT with something like, "I need a short AI art prompt for a creature which is a Pokemon fusion between Charizard and Blastoise. Give it a name." Once you have your description, it's time to head over to MockoFun to bring Charitoise to life using the AI Pokemon Generator. Open up MockoFun. Registration is free and easy to do. Navigate to the AI image generator on the left menu. Here, paste the description from ChatGPT into the prompt window. Feel free to tweak the prompt to suit your needs. For example, you might describe Charitoise as 2D flat illustration of Charitoise, a fearsome blend of Charizard and Blastoise. It has a robust blue-scaled body, fiery wings, and a blazing tail. Equipped with water cannons on its back, it can unleash powerful fire and water attacks, making it a formidable opponent. Muted colors, black outlines. To maintain consistency in your design, you can use a seed number at the start of your prompt. Here you have a list of AI styles for generating images with different effects. Choose the transparent PNG style if you'd like a Pokemon PNG with a transparent background. You can also explore other AI styles like pixel art. In the description of this video, you have the exact prompt that you can copy-paste in MockoFun. Once you're ready, click the Generate button to create your new Pokemon using the AI Pokemon Fusion Generator. You might need to generate it a few times to get the perfect result. And here's something cool. MockoFun offers a variety of styles to really make your creation stand out. For example, you can choose pixel art if you're going for a retro, nostalgic look that captures the classic video game vibe. But that's just the beginning. There are plenty of other styles to explore, such as more detailed illustrations or even abstract designs. This flexibility allows you to customize your Pokemon Fusion to perfectly match your creative vision. So don't hesitate to experiment with different styles until you find the one that truly brings your unique Pokemon to life. Afterward, head over to the Download menu to save your creation as a JPG or a PNG with transparency. The AI Pokemon Infinite Fusion Generator offers endless possibilities for creating unique combinations with various styles and effects. Before you go, make sure to check out the Pokemon Card Maker template in MockoFun, which you can use for free. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative guides like this one.